Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am so excited to review the new eufy C20 robotic vacuum and mop with an all-in-one station. This robot is extra cool. It cleans amazing. It can deal with any type of a mess. It has a self-cleaning, self-washing, self-drying, everything like all in one. This C20 robotic vacuum and mop. How cool is that? Well guys, enough with the small talk. Let's get to the details. Now guys, this eufy Omni C20 is the best value of under 500 robot vacuum with an all-in-one station and with an impressive 7000 PA powerful suction and superior mopping performance. Eufy is an innovative distributor in the cleaning industry. It seamlessly cleans any type of a floor and carpets. Now guys, I have manually washed my floors my entire life and I hated it. I mean, since I remember myself, I had crazy fights with my mom about washing the floors. Like she was trying to force me mopping and sweeping our floors and I hated it the most. I was running away, literally like crying and creating this one huge crazy drama about it. I moved out of our house when I was 16 years old and well, I was must to start mopping and cleaning, my floors myself. And that was such a pain until I've got my first robot, which is vacuuming and mopping. That was like a revolution in my life. That was a life-changing type of a purchase. And this is why I will never stop recommending everyone out there to get a robotic vacuum cleaner, especially the one with an all-in-one station, because it's freeing up your hands at this point that there is nothing, literally nothing you can do for months. Also, this robot is under 500. And by the way, sometimes there are crazy discounts, which it will go up under 400 even sometimes. So guys, stay tuned for the description box for any type of a discount information, for any type of a sales and promotions, because you snooze, you lose. You might lose a great discount if you are not checking the description box for any type of a coupon code. So guys, this is one of the best sellers of Eufy's robotic vacuums and mops. So this is an all-in-one station, which is fully automated and offering a cleaning with features like auto emptying. So it's gonna auto empty all the debris from the dustbin of the robot automatically by itself every time it is completing a cleaning session. Also, the station will auto wash the mops of the robot, as well as it's gonna auto dry the mop too with a room temperature air. It also has a transparent water tanks, dirty tank and clean water tank, and they're transparent, so it is easy for the user to spot if it needs a refill or if the dirty water tank needs to be emptied. So it's easy to monitor the water levels without opening, without getting any type of notifications or reminders from the smart application of the C20 robot. This is a totally 100% hands-free system, which ensures a completely effortless maintenance for the robot. It also comes with a Mop Master Technology. So the mop was designed in the shape of two rotating mops, and the Mop Master Technology gives 180 rotations per minute for each mop, and it comes with a 6 newtons of pressure. So it's not just mopping lightly your floors, it's actually scrubbing, cleaning, washing your floors. The Omni C20 effortlessly removing any type of a tough stains, even if they are old and dry stains. Thanks to the Mop Master Technology, it can easily remove any type of a dirt, any type of a wet mess. It also features a dual sweeping and mopping models. So this feature is allowing a simultaneous cleaning through the smart application to maximize the efficiency. So you have 3 modes to choose from. It can be vacuum only, it can be mop only, or it can be vacuum and mop combined mode, while it is gonna vacuum and mop all together at the very same time. The robot itself is built in an ultra slim 3.35-inch type of a body design, and this ultra slim type of a design allows the C20 to reach even the tightest spaces and the darkest, the deepest corners out there. It's definitely smaller than any other robots that I've reviewed here, but it's same powerful as his bigger brothers, if you know what I'm saying. So thanks to the ultra slim body design, it can reach pretty anywhere, like under desks, under beds, ensuring a true cleaning in even the most hardest to reach areas and corners, and that to reduce any manual cleaning that will be needed from us, the users. Oh my god, I love this feature. I hate cleaning, as I told you guys, and that's just a music to my ears when I know that my robot is gonna clean even the darkest, the deepest corners. So so I won't have to. Now let's talk about the vacuuming brush. So it works with a Pro Detangle comb. This roller brush is rotating in reverse, while the Pro Detangled comb flips down to loosen and remove any type of tangled hair from the brush. That's to ensure an optimal performance and to reduce any type of a maintenance time. Once again, love it. So guys, this robot can handle any type of a hair, human hair, pet hair, very long human hair. So guys, you can see right now how well it is eating the hair on your screens. And now if I'm gonna flip it around, you can see that there is no, like literally barely and no hair that is tangled on the brush. And this is how the Pro Detangle comb works. As you can see guys, it comes with these like sharp ends at the end, and this is how it is detangled any type of a hair. So as a result, there is no need to clean your vacuuming brush from any type of a hair. Thanks to this design. Less work for me, better life I have. That's my motto in life, definitely. This robot also has the mop lifting ability. So once it's gonna sense a carpet underneath, it is gonna automatically lift his mops for 0.41 inches. That to avoid to bring any type of a mess from the hard floors to your carpets. This is how the mop won't touch your carpet and your carpet will stay clean. So once the C20 is gonna sense a carpet underneath, and in case it is in the vacuuming and mopping mode right now, it's gonna automatically lift the mops for 0.41 inches, and it's gonna increase the power to maximum to give the carpet the best boost and cleaning possible. And of course, that on carpet is gonna work in vacuuming mode only. Also, the eufy C20 comes with detachable base, which is easy to maintain and to clean your robot. Thanks to this base, you just simply take it out of your station, go clean it and bring it back. Now guys, let's talk about the smart application. So the smart application is extra easy and native to use. So the app supports multi-floor mapping. It means if you have more than one floor at your house, you can store a few maps inside of your app and just simply move your robot from floor to floor. Instead of buying a few robots, just buy one and move it from floor to floor, while the robot is gonna keep all the maps inside of him. So there is no need to map your floors each time. As well as it has customized mode, so you can create a mode of your own per room, per the entire areas, per zones, and so very on. Extra cool and really helpful. Of course, that you can schedule any type of cleanings. You can create no-go zones. You have a smart voice control, so you can control your eufy Omni C20 by voice simply. Now guys, there are thousands of robots out there under 500 price range, which are gonna require you to manually clean them up, wash them up, to manually collect the waste by yourself with your own hands, wasting your valuable time. While the C20 is here to do the same job as the $1,000 and $2,000 robots out there are doing for a price range of under $500. That's unbelievable, and that's just amazing. If you wanna, save your valuable money and time, go for C20. We'll highly recommend you. I really hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Please let me know what do you think down below at the comments to this video of mine. What do you think? How do you like the new C20 model by eufy? How do you like the all-in-one station? How do you like his ability to vacuum, to mop? Tell me all about it. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. Be so very sure to check eufy C20 out. I will leave you all of the links down below at the description box to this video of mine, as well as any other type of really useful information like coupon codes, promotions, discounts, and any way to save some money of yours. So you snooze, you lose. You better go check out the description box for any type of information that can save your money and free up your hands so you could enjoy your life, be with your family, work more, have more fun, play more video games, watch more movies, instead of scrubbing, mopping, and vacuuming your floors by your hands, like manually. Who even does that? No one. I'm not doing that for many years. Robots, robots, robots. My entire life is all about robots. I'm surrounded by robots and I love it because they do everything instead of me, and I'm a lazy type of a person. Yes, I love my free time. I value it. And if you feel the same way like I do, well guys, be so very sure to check eufy C20 out. That was actually all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.